Hi everybody, this is Natalie with Cloud Adoption Solutions, and today I am bringing you another custom object in Salesforce that I recently created. It's called an offboarding object. Many times our clients come to us asking what the best practice is when they need to deactivate a user. Sometimes it's as simple as just unchecking the active box on that user when that person leaves the company, and other times it's the complete opposite. That user may be involved in so many things, such as records and permission sets, that we turned a relatively simple Excel spreadsheet checklist into a custom object. So that's what I'm going to show you today. This is my offboarding object in Salesforce. And what I basically did was I pulled all of the fields that I had on my Excel spreadsheet that I was maintaining as a checklist. And when I need to deactivate Jim Jones, I just literally come to my offboarding tab, click new to create my new offboarding record, and start filling out the fields. So I just want to show you the fields that I have on here just as examples in case they're relevant to something that you may be using in your world. So deactivate the user on a specific date, we can populate that information. Here are some sections containing some tasks. So let's say Jim Jones is an owner of certain accounts in a certain territory, and we need to move all those accounts to a new owner. So we want to track that, and we also want to track who that new owner is going to be. So here I'm just populating the dates when I complete that action. So another example would be moving open opportunities, contacts, update your sharing settings of files, reassigning case owners. My next section, here I'm capturing some things related to permissions. So if I need to check to see if Jim Jones had private reports, I want to delete them. Is he part of any public groups that I need to update? Is he in any queues? Is he part of any report criteria that I need to update? Some of the other things you can take a look at, if Jim has inbox, we have to remove the permission set license there. If he's part of Pardot, we have to make some updates there, and same as if he's in Einstein Search, taking him out of those permission sets. And in your org, you may have different permissions and different things that your users belong to. This is just a sample. And lastly, on my offboarding object, I have a section for automation. So if Jim Jones is part of a process builder or a flow, we need to make modifications there. I'll capture the date that I made those modifications. If we have to update assignment rules for cases or leads, we want to take care of that. Removing him from email alerts, updating pick list values. If there are report subscriptions under Jim, you have to move those to an active user. Same with dashboard subscriptions. Now, my offboarding object also has a status. Everyone starts out as new, but I eventually move them to in progress and then complete once I've completed all of my actions. You can add automation to this, where if you change the record to complete, you can send out an email notification to Jim Jones' supervisor, just letting that person know that he is fully deactivated in the system and the license is now available for use. I've added a couple of related lists to my offboarding object. Files, I've added chatter. I can perform activities such as events, emails, or tasks on this record too. So the opportunities here are really endless. And like I said in the beginning, this just started out as an Excel spreadsheet checklist that was being maintained in some shared file somewhere. I decided to turn it into a custom object because this information can live in Salesforce and everyone can have access to see, who did Jim's accounts go to, or where did those opportunity records eventually end up. So if you have any questions, Cloud Adoption Solutions is always happy to help. Thanks. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for Salesforce-related tips and tricks. Again, we are Cloud Adoption Solutions. Please reach out to us for any of your Salesforce needs. We are always happy to help. Thanks.